All right, here we go. Here is the Kyosho Fazer MK2 touring car. Right to the shadow. There's the car. There's Donatello. What's up, D? Well, we're gonna give this a drive. See how it goes. Road's pretty filthy. There's like silt all over the road. What is this stuff? I'm gonna have to blow this thing out. Lay around like a fat dog, thick as things in the fall. Summer flesh and a swarm of bees. Over souls and bloody knees. Made it so that never made it. That'd be fun. These things are pretty
We're in the bike shop, and all that happened in that wreck was this right rear tire came off. I assumed they were glued good, but they weren't, but that's okay. I'm gonna re-glue them. I bought this secondhand off a really nice guy off eBay, and it's a really nice car. We're gonna get it cleaned up real quick with the compressor, wipe it down, and which I've already wiped it down a little bit, and we'll go inside on the stand. And here's a shot of my bike shop. That's all kinds of stuff in here actually, but yeah, got my bike stand, work on my stuff. It's kind of fun. All right, see you in a second. So there was the Kyosho Fazer. I got the wheels off. I'm gonna re-glue the tires, get it tuned for another run out there. But yeah, man, it's a fun, fast car. That was fun. Took some drifts on the street. That street was slick and silty. I don't know what that stuff was, but it was annoying. I usually hook up a little better now, but I mean, it's only 45, 50 degrees out there right now, but springtime-ish. So there you go. We'll see you on the next one.